cats are living like they have 9 lives to spend, and they're wasting every single one of them in this video. Let's jump in.
What's going on, man? Whoa! Ah! What are you doing? Oh my god!
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god!
This will end in disaster.
No! What are you doing? Beans! It's not the same. No! Oh!
On a shiny surface and you
Like chemicals in here.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps.
He's not gonna listen to a human.
Crumpet. Stop.
Yeah.
You're so dumb.
He made a percussion instrument out of his head.
Excuse you! Back up, Curtis. Oh yeah.
How many times are you gonna smack me like that?
Chippy chippy chappa chappa doobie doobie dabba dabba chip.
It's pistachio ice cream.
You can't do this anywhere else? Max, this is where I draw the line, bud.
No more working human.
Like, are you serious? What? Is this how you clean your car?
That's how you end up getting stuck. Help me, Mom. I can't get down. We've got real talent right here.
Let me hear a meow.
回乡有期待。
Real singing talent. Is that a kiddie train? I was wondering why it's so dark in here. That cat said what?
Hi, how you doing?
You good?
Hey. Hello. Hello. Hello.
This is what happens to bad kitties.
This cat knows the rhythm. Now that's one fast cat. If that blew your mind, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more cat chaos with me, Ted the Talkin' Cat. Seriously, subscribe.